Okay, welcome back to the channel. We're at Orlando Airport. We're going to take a quick look at Alamo here. And just a quick thank you to everybody for watching the video. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already subscribed. And if you want to see more of these videos, go ahead and hit that like button. All right, we got a Range Rover here. And we got two Wranglers. We got an Expedition. These are parked under Alamo Specialty, but again, the signs these days are kind of more of a suggestion than anything else. We've got another Expedition Max Limited, a couple large SUVs. We've got another QX80. Looks like an Audi. This is a Q3, Q5, Q3. Let's do a quick check on the mileage. I like checking the mileage on some of these luxury cars. And we have, oh wow, okay, 54,000 miles. So Alamo is typically the leisure brand, and they do have some of the higher mileage cars work their way over there. We got an XT5 Cadillac 400, Volvo S60 B5 all-wheel drive. Those Volvos are fairly new. Another one of them here. On the other side, we got a Buick Enclave. Got a Dodge Challenger, the V6 model. Camaro, the V6 model. I'm curious if they got any of these new in. Most of these are 2020s. Guessing since this is parked at Alamo, it probably is. Oh, look at that. Okay, so this one's got 4,000 miles on it. This must be, yeah, they did finally get some new ones in here. Yount, 0222. Okay, it's great to see some of these new coming in. Hopefully they can get some new convertibles in as well. Another Challenger here. While I'm here, do a quick mileage check. 29,000. Got another Chrysler 300 beside it here. And these are parked in Alamo Premium. Chrysler 300S. And we'll take a look at another aisle over here in a second. Okay, I thought I'd just try and catch the sound. If anybody's curious what the Maserati sounds like, somebody's taking this one at Alamo. Continuing on with Alamo here on the A side of Orlando Airport in the truck section. Got a Dodge Ram, Nissan Titan, and we're getting into the compacts. There's a bunch of Chevy Sparks and smaller cars over here, and this is full size. So we got a Camry, Malibu, a Camry, and a Dodge Charger parked in full size. So Alamo's actually doing a pretty good job of parking cars under the right signs. Let's actually keep rolling here. We'll go over to IC midsize over here. And it looks like we got a Mazda and a Nissan beside it. Let's take a look. Mazda, I think these, yeah, Mazda 3. Nissan Sentra. Corolla, and we got another Corolla here, and just over on the other side we got midsize SUV. We got a couple RAV4s, Ford Escape, and I'll just run down. There's two convertibles down here. I don't know if we have to go all the way, but we got one of those Buick Cascada convertibles, which they stopped making a while ago, and we got a Ford Mustang convertible there. If we go over to minivans, we've got an older Dodge Caravan, two Pacificas, and what do we got down at the end? We got yeah, another, actually, what do we have down at the end? Is that another, no, that looks like a Toyota. Oh, sorry, it's a Voyager, Chrysler Voyager. Okay, back end just looks a little bit different there. And yeah, just I think we'll probably wrap things up here. Just a little bit further down. I'll keep walking down, but just a little bit further down, they got some more minivans down here. And lots of cars coming and going, so selection varies pretty quickly. But that pretty much wraps it up for the A side Alamo here. Thanks everybody for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. All right, welcome back to the channel. We're at Orlando Airport here on a weekday in April, a little bit after 1 o'clock. on the B side here, and we're taking a look at Alamo. Some of the upgrades available. We got an Audi Q5, Dodge Durango Hemi RT, got a Cadillac SUV, Dodge Challenger Hemi. We'll just go down specialty here. We got an Armada Expedition, a couple SUVs, another Armada SL, got a Suburban, and another Armada. Not sure why these are all parked in specialty. These are more full-size SUV. Okay, so here's an Expedition Max. That would probably be a premium full-size SUV. Got an Armada, a couple more Armadas here. Just regular SUV. You can see over here we got a GMC Terrain, Jeep Grand Cherokee, got a Ford Edge, two of them. We got a Tahoe LT, and then we got a Yukon XL, so again, that's probably a premium SUV. Over here we got a 4Runner and a Mazda CX-9. Down there's a couple Jeep Wranglers, a bunch of pickup trucks. Well, let's take a look at luxury. People keep asking about the luxury aisle. This is the first one I've actually seen, where it's kind of stock. There's a couple cars here. So we got Alamo Luxury. Got an X2 BMW. Is that an X1? Yeah, X1 BMW. And we got a Volvo. Or sorry, Volvo. We got an Audi A4. I wonder if this is one of the new ones, like it was over at National. And it's locked. But yeah, that could be actually one of the newer ones, which would be a good choice. You can kind of see the Wranglers and the pickup trucks back there. And we'll just go down the other side here. Okay, we're into full size. Looks like we got an Altima, we got a Camry coming through here. Nissan Kicks, got another Camry. Got a Mazda 6. F-150 Platinum. Got an Altima. Got a Chevy Malibu LT. Got another Malibu coming through here with a sunroof. And we got a Kia Kona. We got a Fusion SEL. Got a VW Jetta. Looks like an Altima. Sorry, Sentra. No, Altima. Camry SE. Sorry, I'm going a little fast here. Got a Sonata. This car's coming through, so I'm trying not to get run over. Got another Altima. Got a Camry. Kia LX5. K5. I thought that was a K5. Got a Mazda 6. Tacoma. Over here we got a couple of little compacts. You kind of see mid-size through there. A bunch of minivans over there. Things are just kind of actually parked fairly randomly now. So, okay, so mid-size SUV. We got RAV4. Two of them here. Mazda CX-30. We got a Jeep Compass. Got a Nissan Kicks. And we got another Compass that this family's taking here. We got an Outlander Sport, Mitsubishi, two of them. We got a CX-5, Outlander Sport, and Jeep Compass Limited. We got a couple more Mitsubishis down here with that Ford Escape, and we'll just take a quick peek into this Mitsubishi. This one, 30,000 miles. And I think that kind of wraps up Alamo on the B side, Orlando Airport on a weekday here in April. I think I'll just wrap things up here. Just kind of walk through these minivans as I do that. Thanks everyone for watching. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already subscribed. And if you want to see more of these videos, go ahead and hit that like button. Thanks for watching, everyone. And I'll see you in the next airport. See you in the next update, which may be another airport.